What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Stock of the Week. Guys, today I'm going back for a second helping of Zynga stock. So in this video, I'm going to tell you why I just bought some more of this amazing company. Now, to be clear, guys, the stock is down right now. In fact, that's actually what triggered me to look at it again, to take a second look at this company. And when I looked at why there was a huge sell-off in Zynga stock, it originated from the Q2 earnings report. There was a lot of selling pressure that came out of that report. Now, to be clear, when you look at the overall report, the report was good and it was a healthy report. It was a healthy report for a healthy company. The reason that people sold off so much stock after this report is that their outlook for the rest of the year was a little bit disappointing to some investors. So it's only through the rest of 2021, the outlook, that's the only reason that people began to sell the stock. So I didn't think that that was at all a reason to sell the company, but it did warrant a second look. So I'm going to tell you what I found and why it resulted in the end with me buying some more of this stock. So their core business at Zynga is alive and it's growing, and their side streams are growing. In fact, the revenue that's coming from these side streams, these side ideas at Zynga, are growing. They're adding more and more revenue to the company, and it's a good thing. Evergreen gaming franchises is giving constant sales to Zynga. They're about to launch Farmville 3. Farmville has been a very successful franchise for them. It seems like Farmville has been here at least since the beginning of social media, or at least it feels that way. Words with Friends, there's a winner for you. 12-year-old game. Words with Friends is a 12-year-old game created by Zynga, and they just had the highest revenue quarter ever. Yeah, that's Q2 results. A 12-year-old game with the highest revenue quarter ever. Now, that's not all. They also have some great new games, so it's not just old franchises, even though that's one of their strengths. But there's also new games that are coming from studios that Zynga is acquiring or merging with through their M&A strategy. So their strategy is essentially to find companies that will push their main mission forward. And so they're acquiring companies, they're merging with companies. For example, they have a majority investment in Rollic, which is a gaming studio that's based in Istanbul. And they just had the highest ever revenue last quarter. And so that's putting them on pace. Rollic, they're just putting just that one studio on pace to be the world's fastest growing hyper casual gaming studio. And that's being measured in downloads. So Zynga just keeps innovating. They keep expanding, growing. They're looking for other companies to add to their portfolio. They're looking for companies they can acquire and add into their industry. They just keep blowing up. And it's not just traditional gaming revenue. Their in-game advertising is exploding right now. They made $133 million in revenue last quarter through just advertising. $133 million last quarter. Their year-on-year growth of just their advertising stream is at 110% in 1 year. Their advertising has grown, it's doubled in 1 year. So this revenue stream, I think, is going to explode in future years. So I don't think that this is the end. I think this is the beginning of their advertising revenue. It's going to explode in future years. They just acquired Chartboost last month. Now, Chartboost is a company that specializes in mobile programmatic advertising. And it's by Zynga taking this company, acquiring it, and putting it into their mix. This is what Chartboost is going to do. It's going to attract new players for them, and it's going to begin to monetize current user activity. So Zynga has, guys, a lot of great opportunities right now, but I think that they have a great opportunity just to emerge as a global leader in gaming. I think that the path is set for them. They have a way to get there, to be a global leader in the video gaming industry. So why did I buy? Because I know that's what you want to know. Nolan, why did you buy Zynga right now? It's not just that I feel like I'm getting a good deal, because I do. I think I'm getting a good deal by the stock being down right now. But the reasons I bought, first of all, is that they have some solid franchises. So they've got some revenue streams that aren't going to go anywhere anytime soon. We talked about those. They've developed some great games, things that people are going to be coming back to for years and years to come. Okay, that's the first thing. Solid franchises. Second thing is that they have a deep development platform. Okay, so their ability to develop and grow and expand their gaming ideals is just one of the most attractive things about them. And also, they have an effective M&A strategy to acquire and to merge with other companies that's going to push them forward in their vision. So Zynga, guys, is a great multi-year investment. This is not an investment that I'm putting my money in and I'm expecting immediate results. But it is a company that I'm putting my money in, and I'm expecting fantastic results over the next 3 to 5 years. So Zynga, I love it. I bought some, and it's a great company, guys. So giveaway. We're doing a giveaway on the channel, guys. When we get to 250 subs, we are almost there. So if you want in on that giveaway, like the video, comment on the video, tell me, are you buying Zynga? Are you holding off on this one? What do you guys think? And then also just make sure that you're a subscriber to the channel so that you get more great content. Guys, I'm releasing a new video every single week on a stock that I have personally bought. Now, so far, because I've had this question come up, so far I have not sold any of the stocks that I bought when I started the channel. So far, all of the companies that I have made videos about, I still own. I haven't sold any of the stock. If I ever do, and I'm sure I will with certain companies, if I ever do, I will give a video, I'll post the videos like ASAP, as soon as possible, explaining to you why I sold. That way you don't feel like you're in the dark. All right, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all have an awesome week. Remember, guys, dream big, and I'll see you in the next video.